Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change your email on Etsy in 2025. Whether you're updating for security reasons, switching to a new address, or just tidying up your account, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Etsy might tweak their interface occasionally, but I'll walk you through the most up-to-date process based on the latest features. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account. If you're not, head over to the Etsy website or app and sign in with your current email and password. Once you're in, look for your profile icon or account settings. It's usually in the top right corner. Click on that, and then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, in the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the Email or Contact Information section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the option to edit your email address. You'll be prompted to enter your new email. Double-check it for accuracy to avoid any hiccups. After you input the new email, Etsy will likely send a verification code or link to that address to confirm it's yours. Go ahead and check your inbox or spam folder for that email. Once you receive the verification, click the link or enter the code back on the Etsy site to complete the process. That's it. You've successfully changed your email. Remember, always keep your account secure by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication if it's available. If you run into any issues, Etsy's Help Center is a great resource, or feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.